Welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. Today I'm doing something special for you. I've been invited to participate in a collaboration that the channel The Kitchen Queers organize. In fact, their channel's so terrific, I'm going to put the link down below in my description box if you want to go over and visit them. But this collaboration is going to be a quarantine cooking collaboration. That's right. And we were challenged to make something with the ingredients we had in our home. So we weren't allowed to go out and buy anything for this recipe. And I knew just what I was going to make. So I hope you're all staying in and staying safe. It's 4 weeks now I've been in the house, and I am going a little more cray-cray than I already am. But if that's what we have to do, that's what we have to do. So, for today, I decided to make you the recipe for crunchy onion chicken. It is so yummy. It's tender inside, crunchy on the outside. You wouldn't believe how delicious this recipe is using so few ingredients. So, what do you say? We get started? Yes, let's get started. First thing you're going to need to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Okay, then you're going to need a 9 by 13 inch pan that you've covered with aluminum foil, and then you spray the entire pan with a non-stick spray. I used Pam. So I'm going to put this aside over here. Now you're going to need 2 shallow bowls. So I have the both of them here. So in the first bowl, I'm going to put 1 cup of Panko breadcrumbs. Put those in there. And to that, I'm going to add 1 envelope of the Lipton onion soup mix. And you know I have a video already on my channel for how to make your own Lipton onion soup mix if you want to do that. So I had onion soup mix in the house, and I had Panko breadcrumbs, so I was good. So I'm going to mix these all together in this pan, get them all nice and combined. So I hope everyone is safe out there in their homes. I know this has really been hard for us. How many Netflix movies can I watch, and cleaning closets and cleaning the house? And oh, it's not easy when you're a social butterfly like me and I'm used to going out. But hopefully this is going to be over soon. All right, so I've mixed these 2 things together. Now you're going to take your second bowl, and in your second bowl, you're going to put 2/3 of a cup of whole mayonnaise. I use Hellmans because that's my favorite. So it needs to be mayonnaise. So I'm going to put that in here. Okay, spread that out. All righty. Now, you're going to take your pan that you have the foil in and that you sprayed, and you're going to take 1/4 of a cup of butter. So I've got half a stick of butter here, and I'm going to put it right in this pan. And I'm going to put this pan with the butter in it in my oven, and I'm going to let the butter melt. So let me put that in there now. Okay, my butter's melting. Usually I put the pan in first, and then I mix my ingredients all up. So really you're only talking about, let me see, mayonnaise, Panko breadcrumbs, onion soup mix. That's 3 ingredients. The butter is 4. And then, of course, if we're making crispy onion chicken, we need chicken. So this recipe is for 4 boneless chicken breasts. And if you have real thick ones, what you should do is pound them down so that they're all nice and even and the same size. So I have those here. So now I'm just waiting for my butter to melt. Once again, I want to thank Philip and Mitch for putting together this collaboration. I'm very anxious to see what other channels are going to be making. You'll see in the top of my description bar, it's going to say hashtag. So my hashtag will be hashtag quarantine cooking. And if you click on that, that will take you to a page with everyone that's participating in this collaboration. And you'll see what they all made with the ingredients they had in their house while they were quarantined. So let me go over there and check and see if my butter melted yet. I'll be right back. Okay, I took the pan out of the oven and you could see all of that hot, sizzling, melted butter on the bottom of the pan. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take one of our chicken breasts. Switch these around. And you're going to coat the chicken breast with the mayonnaise. You're going to do that first. Get all that mayonnaise on there. And then we're going to put it into our breadcrumb and onion soup mixture. Get that coated nicely. And you're going to put this chicken breast right on top of that melted butter. And you're going to keep doing that with all 4 of them. This comes out so tender and so delicious, you won't believe it. Let me get it in the crumbs. So yummy. Cameraman and I are having this for dinner tonight. Okay. That in there. And then I'm going to do my other 2. And then what I'm going to do is put these back in the oven for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to turn them over. And I'm going to put them back in there for another 10 minutes. And that should do the trick. And when I take them out of the oven, I'm going to let them sit for about 5 minutes before we eat them. There you go. So I think this is a recipe you're all going to truly enjoy. Can't believe how good it tastes and how easy it is to make. You don't have to have a big mess frying your chicken. No. These are going to be yummy in the tummy. And I will put the complete recipe in my description box below, like I always do. Hold up the pan, a little hot. Hold up the pan and show you what they look like. And they're sitting in that melted butter. I'm going to head on over to the oven now. I'm going to cook these babies up. And when I'm done, I'll be back. And the cameraman and I will do a taste testing while we eat our dinner. So don't go away. Wow, look at this chicken. I just cooked it for the 20 minutes, flipped it over, cooked it for another 10, and let it sit out for 5 minutes in the pan before I put it in this dish. This looks absolutely delicious. So, what do you think the Diva's going to do now? Diva's going to have a taste testing of this. It's nice and brown and crunchy and it smells delicious. Cameraman, are you hungry?
Surely.
All right, let me give this baby a taste. Ooh. We're going to have some broccoli with this. Let me see. I'm starving. Oh, it looks nice and tender inside. Oh, yeah. Let me see. Cameraman, you're going to love this. It's so good. It's delicious. I guess at this point I should tell you, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below and smash that red subscribe button. And there's a little bell next to it. If you hit it twice, it'll say all. And any future recipes I have, you'll get a notification and you won't miss them. But this is really good. So anyway, thank you all for watching. I'm going to get my broccoli out. Cameraman and I are having dinner. So stay well, stay safe. Love you all. Make this and I will see you soon. Toodles!